Okay, got another surprise one that popped up, and this one is a filming by little brother Mansur, kind of a behind the scenes in London, and I'm going to watch it for the first time along with you, I hope. And by the way, I know people are watching, but I would also really, really like if I could get a few more subscribers. I'm going to try to get at least to 300 by the end of the month. Okay, let's go.
Hello, dear ladies and gentlemen. Now we're staying in front of our hotel. After Lara Fabian's concert, she was amazing. She was amazing tonight.
The auto subs are not the greatest. How many of you are planning towards the New York concert?
Dimash.
Come on, everyone! Congratulations.
Non so dove trovarti, non so come cercarti, ma sento una voce che a me vento paralante. Quest'anima senza cuore aspetta te. Close my eyes and open the world. No need for me to pray.
This is my second time hearing this one, and again, they each got their own style to the song, and they just meld together so greatly.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Lara Fabian.
Thank you, Dimash. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
It's been a true privilege to have you here. I wish to say to this audience that this is the first time I have the chance to sing Adagio with you, and I hope it's not the last one.
Thank you very much. If it's possible, only a couple of words. Dear ladies and gentlemen, for me, great honor to be here and perform in front of you with greatest singer of all time, with Lara Fabian. Thank you very much. My biggest pleasure. Thank you. Welcome to Kazakhstan.
All those clubs are terrible.
Are you happy, man? Yes. Ne ediyorsun Mansur?
Күшті концерт.
Ұнады ма?
Құтты болсын выступление.
Рахмет.
Өте тамаша өнер көрсеттің, маған қатты ұнады. Лара әдемі әншілердің бір ғана емес бірегейі. Осы өте керемет, жүрекке жағымды. Екеуің керемет өнер көрсеттіңдер. Халық ұнатты, сізге де ұнады. Өнерлерің өте өсін.
Рахмет, екеуің. Do you want to say something?
Yeah, of course, it was an amazing concert. I was so impressed, and I'm waiting for the next concert in November. Yeah, so see you in November in London.
How is the feeling?
Super excited. Today's concert was perfect. What do you want to say?
He's incredible!
Not about me, about today's concert.
Okay.
About Lara.
What a
please.
great experience we had. Wow, it's a great team. We had great performances, and we are so glad to be here with you all personally, and that's a lovely experience. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You were amazing.
Thank you. You're also very amazing.
Amazing job. Amazing.
I did my best.
And it was a really big mess.
Thank you.
Да, конечно, идем.
Спасибо.
Сколько позы, ну?
А вы на каком языке сейчас говорите?
Вы не позы, Ром. Мы на молдавском говорим.
Who doing photo?
Yeah, I'll do.
Спасибо.
Спасибо.
Is it Moldavian? See you in London after, in November. We're gonna try to do our best. With biggest love, with biggest respect for your love and support. Me, Dimash, and also my younger brother, Mansur.
Well, it wasn't a lot of singing on there, but we did get to hear snippets of the Adagio duet on there. This one kind of surprised me popping up on there. And again, I am looking forward to October 5th in New York City. Hope to see some of you there. Until then, peace.